What's up guys, how are you doing? Today I'd like to show you how to create dot effects in Photoshop and Procreate. It's so easy to do it, but it looks so amazing. Unfortunately, my Photoshop doesn't want to speak English. I don't know what to do else. I translated everything that I could, but it suggests me Russian. For me, it's tough to work with Photoshop on Russian, because I have been working with it more than 12 years. Oh my gosh. On English. So, okay, don't worry. I'll translate everything for you. So, no matter what language do you speak, you will get everything. I hope you like my socks. So, let's start. Okay, first of all, we need to rasterize our text. So, select text and rasterize. Then, select both layers with your background and text and convert it to smart object. Done. Then go to Filter, Gallery of Blur or Blue Gallery and select Perspective Blur. Okay, now play with settings. Okay, so something like that. And a little bit turn it. Yeah, and add blur, more blur. Maybe not so much. Okay, done. Then go to filter one more time, choose decor or pixelize and halftone. Okay, so it's easy peasy, we got it. The same is true for Procreate. Let's do it one more time. We've got text, so rasterize. Firstly, we need to choose a layer with our text and click on rasterize. Then go to the magic stick with this layer. Magic stick, perspective blur, select directional blur, and play with settings. Add blur, of course. Something like that. It's okay. Then, magic stick, halftone one more time. Don't forget to choose screen print. Okay, we got it. Okay guys, if you like my tutorial, so subscribe on my channel and press your likes. See you soon. Goodbye.